I've already taken apart the centre console. The adjustment is underneath. So that's where the handbrake cables go to, and the handbrake. So it's several screws. I think there's about 10 screws holding it in. Obviously you can lift it up. You can take it all the way out, but I can't get one screw out, and I can't be bothered to try. I don't need to get it all the way out, I only need to get to this bit. So jack the car up. Take the wheel off, not forgetting the locking wheel nut. Take the wheel off. So this is where this one's broken. It should just clip off of there. You see the little grommets on there? So it's broken off from this, so it doesn't attach. So it just clips off from there with a pair of pliers, but sometimes I'll just break them off with a flathead screwdriver. It's not going to reuse it. So I just break them off with a screwdriver. And it should come out. I'll go grab a hammer. So this should come out now on this side. So that's loose now. I've got to get under the car. Got to undo this bolt, it's underneath. It's a captive nut, which is a 10mm, which got to undo it from there. So the bolt on the other side of there is rounded off and rusted. So I'm going to grinding that off and cable tying it back on. So you got to take this under tray off, which is 13mm socket.